So welcome back to my channel. This is your girl AE. If you're new here, you are welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always returning back to my channel. Okay, so today's video we are going to transform this face. Okay, this face. So, but today I just want to try something else. I'm going to try something different. So, yeah, without much ado, let's dive to the video. So, first of all, I'm going to clean my face with my Blossom um my cleansing water.
So guys, I just finished up with my eyebrow off camera. So I'm going ahead with my Blossom concealer in the shade 01 to prime my lid before I start to apply my eyeshadow.
Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective.
So for me, when it comes to eyeshadow application, I normally start with my lid color before the transition color. So that is what I was just probably doing.
Adrenaline pressure, it's stormy weather, lightning, thunder, pouring weather. Yo, I'm a go-getter, try to do it like me, but I do it better. I got a mind that's clever, the beast inside is competitive as ever. I'm conscious, my subconscious, an accomplice to me. I promise the darkness, I can honest believe. But don't cross me, I might lose control of the lost beast. He's locked away inside with the key controlled by fight or flight. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.
So to have that smoky effect at the outer V, I went in with a darker color to blend out the green color. I later went in with the green color again to intensify the color back. So after that, I went in with the lighter brown to blend in my crease region and also to have a smooth transition around that area. So that is why I went in with the brown color.
Got a monster inside of me, you better watch out. If you ignite me's a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me. And he gets claws real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the score. Never getting bored, loves the blood and gore. Always wanting more freedom from the source.
So to have that smooth transition at the brown wool area and the crease region, I went in with my orange color to blend everything together so that everything can look smooth and also blended. So that is what I was just doing. So I went off camera to do the other eye and I love how the outcome was. So I later went ahead to wipe off any fallout under my eye and then went in with my serum. So after my serum, I went in with the Kiss Beauty serum, that is the vitamin C serum. And today I want my face to be hydrated seriously. So that is why I went in with two serum at a go. So yeah. And after I finish with this serum today, I try something different by using the Vaseline as my moisturizer. And guys, this is what I mean. Like, I wanted to try something different today, and I love how the outcome was by using the Vaseline day by day cream. I love the outcome. Yeah, so I was just feeling my skin. Yeah. After the Vaseline, I went in with my Bicham Ageless primer. So to have that your foundation to blend into your skin well, you need the beauty blender to be damped, okay? And please, not wet. It should be damped. So I went in with the Adventure foundation. Can you see how I was tapping and also blending? I was just tapping. Please be light-handed with this, okay?
Got a monster inside of me. You better watch out if you ignite me. A road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me. And he gets claws real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the score. Never getting bored, loves the blood and gore. Always wanting more freedom from the source. They don't really understand until they feel the force departed. If you start shit, you'll be heartless in the darkness. Torn apart quick, you left scars ripped. You'll be chewed up and discarded. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.
After I finished blending in my foundation, I went in with my cheek lipstick palette as my blush. So for my advice for the Vaseline as your moisturizer, you need to be very careful when using it. You shouldn't use much. Use a little so that at the end your face will not be greasy. Okay, so be very very careful when using the Vaseline. You can use a little go a long way. So that is what I can say about the Vaseline. So if you have excessive dry skin, I think this will be a great option for you to try the Vaseline and see. And please, I want to know in the comment section after using it, how do you feel about it? I want to know. Comment down below. To highlight my face, I went in with the Blossom Spotless Concealer to highlight the inner corner of my eye, and also later went in with the Blossom Concealer in the shade 01 to highlight the outer corner of my eyes, and also the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and the rest of my face.
If you ignite him, he's a road ahead, a full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me. And he gets claws real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the score. Never getting bored, loves the blood and gore. Always wanting more, freedom from the source. They don't really understand until they feel the force departed. If you start shit, you'll be heartless in the darkness. Torn apart quick, you left scars ripped. You'll be chewed up and discarded. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate. Adrenaline pressure, it's stormy weather, lightning, thunder, pouring weather. Yo, I'm a go-getter, try to do it like me, but I do it better. I got a mind that's clever, the beast inside is competitive as ever. I'm conscious, my subconscious an accomplice to me. I promise the darkness I can honest believe, but don't cross me.
After I finished blending in my concealers, I went ahead to set under my eye with my Adventure setting powder in the shade Neutral Light. When doing this, you need to take your time to set properly, okay? Don't be in a rush to set quick. Take your time to blend in the powder well.
Monster inside of me, you better watch out. If you ignite him, he's a road ahead, a full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me. And he gets claws real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the score. Never getting bored, loves the blood and gore. Always wanting more, freedom from the source. They don't really understand until they feel the force departed. If you start shit, you'll be heartless in the darkness. Torn apart quick, you left scars ripped. You'll be chewed up and discarded.
I went ahead to contour my face with the Who Is That Girl eyeshadow palette, and I use a shade darker than me to contour my face, my forehead, my cheek, and the other places of my face.
Adrenaline pressure, it's stormy weather, lightning, thunder, pouring weather. Yo, I'm a go-getter, try to do it like me, but I do it better. I got a mind that's clever, the beast inside is competitive as ever. I'm conscious, my subconscious an accomplice.
After contouring my face, I went ahead with my blush on my cheeks, and then after that I set my face with the exact shade of my powder by using the Who Is That Girl palette.
Once it's in your mind, it's respect it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.
Went off camera to set the whole face using the Kiss Beauty setting spray, and here's it. And after that, I went into my cheek lipstick palette as my lipstick.
Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate. Got a monster inside of me, you better watch out. If your enemy's a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen.
So after I finished with the lipstick, I went in with my highlighter from the Who Is That Girl eyeshadow palette.
Go of always wanting more freedom from the source. They don't really understand until they feel the force departed. If you start shit, you'll be heartless in the darkness. Torn apart quick, you left scars ripped, you'll be chewed up and discarded. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protected.
To finalize everything, I went in with my setting spray from Ad4, guys, because I want to be matte.
So guys, this is the finished look, and guys, I'm loving this look. Yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys, give it a thumbs up, and also turn off your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So yeah.
Don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath.